KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, KG Auto, welcome to my YouTube channel. What do we have here? Today I'm working on this 2004. It's a Honda Civic. We're going to be replacing the camshaft position sensor, which is located right inside the timing belt right there. That's what we're going to be doing. The lady got one this morning from AutoZone because the car is stalling. This is the part number. I didn't buy this now. She's the one who bought it. So I recommended her to buy Beckinelli and some other one from other places, but she chose AutoZone. You know, when you're replacing the electrical part, I always like to go for the OEM, but this is our choice. Don't hold me to it. You know, that's what we're going to be doing this morning. But before that, I just wanted to talk about something that, you know, in my channel, like I always say, it's not just about showing how to work on a car, but we live in a life that we all have to learn how to encourage each other. So this morning, I have a book here written by Les Brown. You know, you have got to be hungry. How hungry are you? So it's a new book. He just wrote it, though he has several other books. But I just get it from Amazon. You know, Les Brown is a friend in my head. He's like a mentor to me. I watch him every time when I have the time on YouTube. Motivational speaker, powerful speaker. Trust me, if you have never watched him before, watch him. You're gonna love him. You know, he got what it takes. He joke a lot, he talk about it, you know, laugh a lot, but at the end of the day, he will put you where you need to be, because just one word can change the whole trajectory of your life. One word, just like Disney said. It says in imagination is a preview of what is to come. One word can change your life. So having said that anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and do this job. KG, you know my slogan, let's go. We're getting it right now. Stay tuned. So we're going to be walking here because something is located right in here. But for we to do this job, this guy has to come out, this valve cover. Then I will take off this, and it's not like a big thing, but it's doable. Anybody can do it. Question, comment, you know what to do. Let's go. So we're going to be using a lot of 10. Most of the stuff here, they are 10. So we'll go ahead and take off this guy first. Let's put that aside. I'll take off the battery. Put that aside. Make sure you have a little magnet. I'll take off this guy right here. Come out. Nice and easy. I'm gonna come right here. Take out this guy. I'm gonna take out this guy right here. Take out this guy. Move this guy up like this. Before that, let's take out this. Sorry if you hear the background noise. These are the things that I don't have any control of because you guys don't have work outside. So it's always going to be a little bit noise. So we're just going to put this one in the chronological order. Just put it like this. This is how it came out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. this thing. It can tend to be tight sometimes. Hurt your finger. So we disconnect this EGR over. Disconnect this guy right here. So we don't want to break anything. Take out this hose. Back on this. That thing is a little bit tight, like the space there. So, alright, so now we can leave this guy. So maybe we just bend this tight, bend this one to the side right here, so we can get it clear before we come right here. So take off this one too. It's not coming fun. So what we can do is see this coming this one. To take a boat right there. Let me get there. There's a 10 boat right here. And we need to take out. KG is moving like a bullet. Take out that thing. Got a little bit of magnets. Take out that boot. So you don't drop the boot. There we go. Put that side there. I believe that should be it now. That should be it. To this. What is the attach there? So I'm going to bring like a pry back. See if I can pry it. Like this. Try a little bit. There she goes. Right on this side. There we go. Let it wiggle them a little bit. Wiggle. There we go. Here she comes. Here she comes. Lady said she just changed this valve cover not too long ago. So hopefully I can reuse this. Something to stick like that. What do you guys think? Can I reuse this? No, this thing wants all you get on it. Kind of fun. Anyway. We'll think about that. So that's it. Now we're gonna come here, take off this thing right here, and then get some napkins. So there's a boat right here. Hope you can see it. Yeah, there's a boat right here that I need to get to. It's gonna be 3 boats. One is here, one is here. You know. Look like one is missing here, so don't hold me to that. So in the meantime, let me take off this and then squeeze out this. Squeeze this back. that's where the sensor is going. That's a connector. But there's a bolt right here we need to take off. It's a tank. That's one. It's a shoulder bolt, so you can't mix it with other bolt. There's another one just right beneath it, right there. Another one right beneath it, right there. Shoulder bolt. I believe that should be it. And I'll shake this guy like this. Lift it up. There she goes. That's it. Cover is out. So there's a bolt right here and a bolt right here. So this one is missing. Don't hold me to that, please. So here is the guy that, let me try to load this. I believe you can see. Just follow my hand. See right here? Where my hand is, right there. So there's a 10 bolt here. So that bolt there, you don't want that bolt to drop inside the engine, because if that bolt drop, trust me, it's gonna be a disaster. It's not gonna go well with you. So we're gonna try to use this. I'm gonna lose it and hold it really. Okay, let me use this to break it loose. Just have to take my time. Just have to break it loose. But you don't want to drop that bolt, brother. Trust me. You drop that bolt, you are heading for the corner. So let me just bring it out. I put a little towel underneath in case anything happens. Nothing will happen. So this is the guy that we're after, just like that. Bada boom, bada boom. The guy is out. So there is a sitting, right? See this guard right here? So there's a little knob. Let me bring the camera to show you. Let's take off this guy. So I'll take off this guy, put this on the side there. So let me bring the camera. So if you look right there, right, see, there's a sitting where the boat go and where the thing is gonna be sitting right there. Just make sure that something lap very well. Once you do that, it's going to be a home run. Slam dunk by Kobe Bryant. The single covered by Landry. Ariza dropped down. Kobe! That's it right there. Just want to show that to you. Just be just be mindful when you want to guide that 10 boats, okay? So if you see, I put back my rod there because, like I said, you don't want to drop that boat. So let me bring this out. Make sure it's the same, and then go ahead and put it down. So let's make sure it's 3 pin. Yep, that's it. So this is what I was talking about. You see that? What I was talking about. We can get it. So we take off the 10 bolts. We just place it right back in here, just like so. So the something is going like this. It's going to be like on the edge. So I might be blocking the camera. I put it first, and I will come back and revisit that, because you can't see what I'm doing anyway. So the sensor is in. So I really wanted to be careful right there. So what I did was I took off my gloves, because sometimes when you have the gloves on, trying to put the bolt in, it kind of get like sticky. So I just took out the gloves in my hand. So I was able to use my hand to thread it, and everything just went beautiful well. You know, like I said before, the last thing is you don't want to get that guy there. You can see that guy right there now. You see him right there, nice and neat. Just make sure he laps very well. That's your biggest little challenge. For the rest, you can beat up that 1, 2, 3. So that's it. So we're gonna bring the cover back now. Tie it up already. We're gonna bring this cover back. Pull this cover back. Yeah, even the lady, the bed doesn't really look that great like that. Because some other mechanic work on the car as well before. You know, so pull this cover. The sitting cover. So 1/6 right there. There she goes. Bring the other one. Put both there. 10 bolts. Shoulder bolts. Right here, just 2 way. Took out 2. We'll put the 2 back in there. Now we're gonna connect there. After I finish tying that, I'll put back the connector. I should pretty much it on this side. So that's it. I'm tied up. So those are the 2 bolts there. That's it. Right there. There was a line. So the connector go right there, just like so. So this is one thing. The camera is always on my way. I'm gonna move the camera. You see, once you put that, then you put that put a cover right there, the little plastic, so that the rain will not come inside. Alright, so that's it. We're gonna put the cover back there now. Alright, so we're gonna come back now and put this cover, put some oops on it, and then it should be fine. We go back right there. It's like the way we took it out. And there's some little fight here now. Fight that much. From reaching the ground right there, boy. So this thing is holding it down. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. was down here, but here I feel it. Down here, this side is a little. Did you hear that snow? Boom, like a boom. Boom, yeah, it's in now. You all heard it. It landed like a plane. Welcome to New York. KG, welcome to New York, boy. Welcome to New York. There we go. Push this hose. This hose is kind of stubborn, man. That is too big of a hose. You don't have enough space to push it back. You don't have enough space to push it forward. Alright, so that's it right there. I'm gonna tie this guy now. And then that's pretty much it. That's not going in there. Alright, so let me go ahead and just run this thing down a little bit. So you thread it first. You know? Just a little bit. If something is funny, right? When you threading it, you have to play around it a little bit for you to get a hold. Nice and easy. Let's see if we can get this one to cooperate. Survey said. Alright, so let me tie that down and put the other one kg. We're doing it. Alright, so I tied down this already. So if you want to know the torque for this valve cover boat is 7.2 foot-pounds. I don't really use torque like that, you know. All I do, I use this little guy here. I'm not a fan of that, you know. Use this guy. I'm good, you know, hand tight, you know. But 7.2 anyway. So, alright, so after that now, put that in there. I'm gonna bring back this guy now. Put this guy back here. Just like so. Then we're gonna bring the spark plug. Spark plug in. Just like so. Down. Spark plug in. Just like the way we took it out. I always like to put this connector first before I push it all the way down, because that connector sometimes it can be a little bit tricky when lift it up like this. Just put it before you push the whole thing down, because you want to be mindful of your hand. That's something there. Alright, so that's pretty much that. I'm going to put this the boat here. Put the HRO valve connector back here, and this little guy here. Alright, so put the boat here. This one is for the This two boats coming here, one is coming here. One is going right here. Everything is just make it easy for you. There are 10 boats. You don't use a lot of things. So if you have this gun, it will make your life like easy. The job will just go beautiful way for you. That boat didn't come out right there. Alright, so we're just gonna run down now. Is really good. Makes your life, everything goes smoothly. Trust me. Put this guy there now. Put this guy over here. Try the Honda. I'll put the dipstick back there. Back, just like so, and then we'll pull this cover. Everything is done. Beautiful job, brother. Pull this cover back right so. That's your. By the way, you can't miss that, because if you turn it the other side, the Honda will be facing the other side. Once you see the Honda sign facing you, that's pretty much it, man. Somebody better clap for me right there. Everything is done. Bada boom, KG. You're gonna put this guy back here. You tie that. So that's it on this episode. Next time you want to change this camshaft position sensor, you know, not only you know where it is, you know what it takes to do it. You ever hear this word? They'll say, practice, make what? I'll give you a second to think about that. Sometimes people will say, perfect. No, my friend. Practice, make improvement. You can always improve in whatever you do. You can never have a perfect. I always use this illustration. Perfect means if you see the basketball player, they're shooting the ball, sometimes they do miss. Free throw, they do miss. Perfect is you cannot miss. So practice, make improvement. That's why I always say my channel, it's not just how to teach you how to walk on a car, but you can learn a lot. I'm pouring wisdom into you. Please don't forget to subscribe, support your boy in any way you can. Shout out to Brooklyn. Love you all. KG signing off. Peace. We are gone.